Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my pigment paste. I run epoxy resin workshops here in my studio in New Zealand, and people come along and learn how to use this beautiful medium. My beautiful pigment paste from Just Resin in Australia, and that is how messy these little wee pigment paste pots get. Beautiful pigment paste mess. So I have to regularly go through and just clean all of these little pots just to try and get rid of some of this pigment paste mess. So hopefully you'll benefit today and you'll learn something about cleaning up your own pots. What I've got here is my plastic container. I've put some warm water in it. I've added a little bit of sugar soap to the water. I'm wearing my gloves to protect my hands from the pigment paste. And I'm just going to pop some of these pigment pastes into the tub. And because the water is warm, it's going to free up some of the pigment paste as well. If it's very cold here in New Zealand, so at the moment we're in winter, I find that a lot of my pigment pastes go hard in my studio, and get the resin more fluid again. All right, so I thought I'll try this stuff today. I don't know what it's like. It sounds good. The pink stuff, the Miracle Cleaning Paste. It's tough on stain, so I thought, well, let's give this a bit of a crack. See what we're gonna do. So I'll pop that down there. And I've also got myself some little scouring pads, which I've cut down into smaller ones, and a cloth. So what I'm gonna do, I'll start with one of my slightly messier ones, like my gold here, which is quite yucky. Just going to put a little bit of this paste on, and we're going to give that a little bit of a scrub. But I think that's starting to look a bit of a white. It's a lot better than what it was when we started. That stuff's actually working quite well. Look at that, it's like brand new. Yay! Look how beautiful, clean and tidy all of my pigment pastes are, all ready for today's workshop. And I'm thinking that this stuff here is pretty good. Said the Miracle Cleaning Paste, so it definitely made a difference to these messy pastes.